Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create vertical blur effect using keyframes on CapCut. So first, just add your clips and go to where you want the vertical blur to apply and go to video effects, opening and closing, and find the vertical blur. Click on the check icon and adjust on how long you want the effect to apply to your clips, and after that click on the effect. Now add a keyframe at the start and then here make the blur in the first keyframe to around 85. Okay, then move forward a bit and then add another keyframe here, and now for the second keyframe set the blur into 70 and go to the end of the effect, add another keyframe and set the blur to 0. Okay, so now click on the object here, then click on all videos to make it the effect apply to all of your clips. So you can repeat the steps for all of the clips, but that's basically how you can create a vertical blur effect on CapCut. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.